50th Sunday touch around, and guess what? We're going to celebrate the 50 or 500 Smith & Wesson. We're going to touch the crap out of 50 GI, 50 A, 50 Beowolf, 500 Smith & Wesson. Ooh, doing some sweet touching. Oh, yeah. All these got big holes right there at the end. Let's get that thumb down in there. Touch. Oh, look at that GI. Oh, GI. 50 GI. Back. Ooh. Desert Eagle 50 A. Let's go ahead and get a close-up of that 50 A. Let's touch the crap out of it. Ooh. Let's just slide down that ribbon there. Get up in here. Look, we got some nice green there. Got a little cheap 6 hour red dot. Let's just go ahead and throw my thumb there. Celebrating 50 for 50. Yahoo!